Hello students, once again I am inviting to all of you for trigonometry classes, class 10. It is part 4, that means it is the class number 4. Consecutive class will be conducted to cover up the syllabus. Once again I am remembering to all of you, first is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equal to cos square theta. And the triangle ABC, B is a 90-degree angle and the angle theta is in between base and hypotenuse, and it is perpendicular or altitude. Theta is always an acute angle that is less than 90 degree. Now I am requesting to all of you to memorize it properly, because it is very much important and the application is too much needed to solve the problem. First, sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta equal to tan theta. Cosec 90 degree minus theta equal to sec theta. Sec 90 degree minus theta equal to cosec theta. But I am assuring you, in the next class, I will explain about all of this. I will draw a figure and we will consider the altitude as a base and base as altitude, and we will make the all formulas, and then acute angle is to be considered this one. At that time we will get the explanation of all of this. Also I am written here hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square, and of 3 main identities is written. This portion is to be required. The solve the test paper, it is mentioned in the left hand side. Question 1, evaluation A and B, and there are 2 proofs under B, A and B, and C show that this equal to this. Please try to remember this. I will explain in the next class why we are writing this. It will be proved. First, I am doing the question in the answer sheet. I am solving the question, and all this concept is to be required here. First problem, evaluate what? The value of sin square 63 degree plus sin square plus 27 degree upon cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Now, what is this? You can change the numerator or denominator. We are choosing the denominator. Anyone can choose the numerator, and they can apply the concept or the formula of this. Then sin square 63 degree we are keeping unchanged, plus sin square 27 degree, it is here. We know cos 17 degree can be written as cos what? 90 degree minus 63 degree. 19 degree minus 63 degree. Cos 17 degree equal to cos 90 degree minus 63 degree, that is equal to cos 63 degree, it is 1. So we are writing the denominator cos square. Cos square means cos square 17 degree equal to cos square 17 degree equal to sin square 63 degree. Once again I am explaining. Cos 17 degree can be written as 90 degree minus 63 degree. Cos 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta sin theta. Theta equal to 60 degree. So we are writing here 63 degree. Now next one I am writing cos 73 degree can be written as, that is can be written as cos 90 degree minus 17 degree. Cos 19 degree minus 17 degree equal to cos 73 degree. What is cos 90 degree minus theta? Equal to sin theta. So we are putting here sin and 17 degree, that is equal to sin square 27 degree, that is equal to 1. Once again I am explaining. Sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta, cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta, tan 90 degree minus theta equal to tan theta, cot 90 degree minus theta equal to tan theta, cosec 90 degree minus theta equal to sec theta, and sec 90 degree minus theta equal to cosec theta. Now we are not changing. You can change also numerator also, but here we have changed and another sum we will do in the other way also. So cos square 17 degree equal to cos square 17 degree can be written as sin square 63 degree, and cos square 73 degree equal to can be written as that is 2, that is 27 equal to 1. Next we are doing the next problem, that is this one. Now then problem number B under question number 1, evaluate this. So tan 20 degree upon cosec 70 degree whole square plus cot 20 degree upon sec 70 degree whole square plus 2 tan 15 degree into tan 45 degree into tan 75 degree. It is the problem. We are doing, what is this? Tan 20 degree. And we know what is this? Cosec 90 degree minus 20 degree can be written here. 90 degree minus 20 degree equal to, and cosec will be converted into sec in the next step. Now we are writing here, it is square of this cot 20 degree we are keeping, and sec 20 degree can be, it is given here sec 90 degree minus 20 degree plus 2 tan 15 degree and tan 45 equal to 1 into tan 75 degree. Now we are, this is equal to tan 20 degree and cosec 90 degree minus 20 degree can be written as sec 20. We should write here sec 20 whole square. Cot 20, it is cot 20, oh, sorry, I have removed the square also. Cot 20, we are keeping cot 20, and sec 90 degree minus theta can be written as cosec theta, theta equal to 20 degree. And now what we are doing? We are doing tan 70, you can change this tan to 15 degree and tan 75 degree written as tan 90 degree minus 15 degree. The next step, what will do here? Tan. What is tan? Sin 20 upon cos 20 into what? Sec 20 can be written as 1 by sec, can be, that is equal to 1 by sec can be written equal to cos 20 degree. 1 by sec can be written as a result we are cancelling this. Now cot, cot means cos 20 degree by sin 20 degree, and 1 by cosec 20 degree equal to sin 20 degree into whole square. We are cancelling this one and this one. It is the second part. And the third part, tan 15 degree into tan will be converted into cot 15 degree. Now we are cancelled, so it is sin square 20 degree plus it is cos square 20 degree. It is equal to 1. Moreover, we are writing here 2 into tan 15 degree into cot means 1 by tan. We are cancelling tan 15 and tan 15, and this equal to sin square 20 degree plus cos square 20 degree equal to 1. We are putting here 1 and it is plus 2, and the net result is 3. That means we have taken the help of this tan 20, then cosec 90 minus 20, and all concept we have applied here. And now it is over. It is A and B I am removing from the board. A and B is over. Now I am doing the problem in the answer sheet. Problem number 2A. In the 2A problem is given, prove that cot square theta minus cos square theta equal to cot square theta into cos square theta. It is the problem. Once I am written here. So now right hand side I am taking cot square theta minus cos square theta is equal to right hand side. Then right hand side we can write, it can be written as cos square theta minus sin square theta, minus we are writing cos square theta, that is we are taking common cos square theta. So what we are getting? 1 minus sin square theta minus 1. So 1 minus sin means cos square theta, 1 by sin square theta. Sin is the reciprocal, cosec is the reciprocal of sin, or that is cosec square theta minus 1, cosec square theta minus 1. Our answer is cos square theta you have already got. Now we are taking the help of identity. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Therefore cosec square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. Therefore, we can write cos square theta into cot square theta equal to right hand side proved. Now I am concluding the class. In the next session, I will do problem number 2b and problem number 3. Thanks all of